Yesterday I had loosened the soil of these plants and had also added this cow dung manure in these young plants of onions. See this spinach also. Now the plants, they will take nitrogen from the air inside the soil. See these peas also, green garlic also, tomatoes also, pink French radishes also, young plants of beetroot also, young plants of tomatoes also, flower beds also. See, coxcomb also. I had to water these plants today, but we are having drizzling, so it's okay with me. This water is more mineral rich than the ordinary water which I water them.